పార్లమెంట్ ఉభయ సభలు ప్రారంభమయ్యాయి. లోక్సభలో సుష్మా స్వరాజ్ మాట్లాడుతున్నారు. లైవ్ చూద్దాం.
शुरू करवा दें, कहिए कि अपनी सीटों पर जाएं, खड़गे जी चर्चा शुरू करें। मैं चर्चा के लिए तैयार हूँ, स्थगन प्रस्ताव पर चर्चा के लिए तैयार हूँ, उन्हीं की भाषा में तैयार हूँ, बिना फुल स्टॉप काटे, बिना कॉमा हटाए, मैं उन्हीं की भाषा में, उन्हीं के द्वारा दिया गया स्थगन प्रस्ताव पर चर्चा के लिए पूरी तरह तैयार हूँ। मेरा निवेदन है आपसे, आप इनका स्थगन प्रस्ताव स्वीकार कर ले और अभी तुरंत चर्चा शुरू करवाएं और खड़गे जी को कहें कि वो बोले। मैं और आगे बढ़कर कहना चाहती हूँ, इस स्थगन प्रस्ताव पर आप ऐसी चर्चा करवा लें जिसमें केवल विपक्ष के सांसद बोले, हमारी ओर से कोई नहीं बोले, और जितना समय बोलना चाहे बोले और जितने सांसद बोलना चाहे बोले। बस एक निवेदन है, जिस समय मैं उत्तर दूं उस समय सदन में जरूर उपस्थित रहें। मेरा उत्तर सुनने के लिए बैठे, लेकिन मेरी हाथ जोड़ के विनती है, आप स्थगन प्रस्ताव स्वीकार कर ले, खड़गे जी को बुलवाएं, अभी चर्चा, तुरंत चर्चा शुरू करें।
मैडम स्पीकर मैडम स्पीकर, हम ये चाहते थे कि इस एडजर्नमेंट मोशन को आप एक्सेप्ट करो, एडमिट करो, और जब इतना चैलेंज करके बोल रहे हैं कि इसको डिस्कशन के लिए लो, तो आपने एडजर्नमेंट मोशन तो रिजेक्ट किया, लेकिन हम ये चाहते हैं कि एडजर्नमेंट मोशन आप एडमिट करके सभी बिजनेस आप पोस्टपोन करके चर्चा के लिए प्राइम मिनिस्टर को बुलाइए, क्योंकि जब तक प्राइम मिनिस्टर नहीं आएंगे तब तक ये कुछ नहीं होगा। आइए प्राइम मिनिस्टर आने दो, उनके बारे में उनके एक मिनट, उनके अरे ठहरो, अरे आपकी पोल खोलता हूँ, ठहरिए। जब तक मैडम स्पीकर, जब तक प्राइम मिनिस्टर नहीं आएंगे, ये सुनेंगे नहीं, वो एक्शन कैसा लेंगे मिनिस्टर के ऊपर? How can an accused can plead his own case? We have got allegation against.
इसके बाद 12 बजे
मैडम, अरे बैठो ना, बैठो। Madam Speaker, yesterday they said take up this on priority. From government side said we have no problem. Now the minister, External Affairs Minister, has come forward saying that she has no problem in taking up on priority in whatever form it is required. I request the chair, if ये कोई तरीका नहीं है, if they go and sit in their seats and want to take up this on priority, the government has no problem. You can convert it. But I respect the ruling of the speaker. I cannot go against the speaker's ruling. But the speaker can modify it if they agree to allow the house to function and have 2 hours discussion wherein everybody will get an opportunity to know the facts on this issue. But what is justice? What is justice, ma'am? 500 people are sitting quietly and 20 people are shouting and then not allowing the house to function. What is justice? What is this justice? Let them accept. We have no problem.
एक मिनट, मैंने माननीय खड़गे जी को भी सुना है, माननीय सुषमा जी को, माननीय पार्लियामेंट्री अफेयर मिनिस्टर को भी। पहली बात तो यह है कि मैं एक बार इसको डिसअलाउ मैंने किया है। अगर सदन चाहता है, अब सब लोग अगर चाहते, तो प्रोसीजर के अनुसार मुझे इसको लेना पड़ेगा। ओके, तो मैं आई विल गो थ्रू प्रोसीजर, मगर प्रोसीजर में एक बात यह भी है कि स्थगन प्रस्ताव 12 बजे आफ्टर क्वेश्चन आवर लिया जाता है। तो मैं आफ्टर क्वेश्चन आवर, अगर आप सभी लोग सहमत हैं, and if it is according to procedure, then only after question hour I will think about it. Not no स्थगन प्रस्ताव खड़गे जी आप भी जानते हैं.
Want to challenge your authority.
Yeah.
But the purpose of giving notice under Rule 56 is that
Yes.
we want to discuss on adjournment motion,
Yes.
not in other form.
No, no,
what
adjournment
the Naiduji is proposing. We want adjournment motion which has got a value and weightage for
मगर
voting.
adjournment
For
motion
that
भी
we want.
मान्य
If
खड़गे
you are
जी
ready to take adjournment motion, we are ready.
We have no problem, provided the house is in order. Let them go and sit in their seats. Let them follow the rules of the house. We are ready.
पहली बात
12 बजे डिस्कशन शुरू करें.
एक मिनट
12 बजे डिस्कशन शुरू करें.
Yes.
Madam, go through the procedure, decide. We have no problem from our side. Government is ready for discussion.
Once the thing is, I will have to see this first, because today I have just declared that I am disallowing it. अब मुझे आप इस जगह पे जाओ, मुझे इस बात को समझने दो पहले कि इसके बाद मैं आप सबकी रिक्वेस्ट पर एडजॉर्नमेंट मोशन भी ले सकती हूँ, मुझे उसके लिए ऑब्जेक्शन नहीं है. बट एडजॉर्नमेंट मोशन की भी एक प्रोसीजर होती है. एंड यू यहाँ खड़े रह के बोलोगे नहीं. पहली बात तो यू गो टू योर सीट एंड देन ओनली यू आर अलाउड टू स्पीक. फालतू जैसी बात नहीं करते यहाँ पर. सदन है ये, सम्मान रखना सीखो. फर्स्ट यू विल हैव टू. खड़गे जी, I have no objection to take adjournment motion first thing. But पहले तो इस तरीके से नहीं होता. If we want to discuss whether adjournment motion should be, yes,
Came here and presided over. At that time, you could have declared that I have admitted your adjournment motion. Let us start. We are ready to start.
फिर भी वो शुरू
But
नहीं होती.
now after reciting,
One thing is there. No doubt I have disallowed it because there is the discussion under 193. For that I have but if house thinks so, मैं हाउस के अनुसार चलने के लिए आई एम रेडी. आई हैव नो ऑब्जेक्शन. और मेरे डिसअलाउ करने के बाद ये प्रस्ताव आया है. इफ ये लोग अगर तैयार हैं, मंत्री तैयार है, आई हैव नो ऑब्जेक्शन. आई हैव नो ऑब्जेक्शन फॉर एडजॉर्नमेंट मोशन ऑल्सो. यस, बट एडजॉर्नमेंट मोशन की भी प्रोसीजर है. इट कैन स्टार्ट आफ्टर 12 ओनली. यस यस. No, it is, there are rules. Please, ऐसे मत चर्चा करो. Please, please. It can't be like this. No, it can't be like this.
Direction speaker.
You see, no. When अरेंजमेंट ऑफ द जो बिजनेस है, इसके अनुसार आप अगर देखोगे तो क्वेश्चंस होंगे और क्वेश्चन के बाद लीव टू मूव मोशन फॉर एडजॉर्नमेंट ऑफ द बिजनेस ऑफ द हाउस. दिस इज इन द नो, इट इज बिजनेस में यही कहा है. सो उसके अनुसार आई विल नो क्वेश्चन आवर. एक बात नो, पहली बात तो नो, आई एम सॉरी. आप लोग एक बात सुनिए. रूल्स के अनुसार आप ही लोगों ने रूल बनाया है. देयर विल बी नो सस्पेंशन ऑफ क्वेश्चन आवर. सो वंस नो क्वेश्चन ऑफ सस्पेंशन आवर. नो, बट देयर इज नो रूल एज सच. आप लोगों के बनाए रूल है. आई एम सॉरी, नो. आई विल टेक इट आफ्टर क्वेश्चन आवर. और वो भी नो, इट इज ए रूल. व्हाट कैन आई डू? नो, फर्स्ट यू गो, देन ओनली डिस्कस. आई विल अलाउ एवरीबडी, बट नॉट लाइक दिस. ये क्या है? कुछ खड़े हैं, कुछ बोल रहे हैं. ये कोई सदन है क्या ऐसा चलने वाला? इज इट सो? आवर में देयर इज नो पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर. पहली बात, क्वेश्चन आवर सस्पेंड करने का कोई रूल नहीं है, ये समाप्त कर दिया गया है. सो देयर कांट बी सस्पेंशन ऑफ क्वेश्चन आवर, एंड इन द बिजनेस इट इज रिटन दैट आफ्टर क्वेश्चन आवर adjournment motion will be taken. So not before question hour. It is there. There is no suspension of question hour at all. I can't help it. What is it? I will. I know. What is this? Question. One thing is there. No. I will. I have no objection. मैं पहले बोल रही हूँ, अगर आप सब चाहते हैं तो yes, adjournment motion I am ready to take, but that is after question hour, not before question hour. No, because there is no suspension of question hour according to rule. I am sorry. No, I will take. No, I am sorry. After question hour you can. I am sorry. So, question number 323, Kumari Shobha.
Speaker Madam, question number 323.
Respected Madam, a statement is laid on the table of the House.
Madam, Minister has given elaborate answer. Madam, he should feel proud that India is the first developing country in the world to have its own geostationary satellite and INSAT for continuous weather monitoring of this part of the world, particularly for cyclone warming. Indian Meteorological Department provides very comprehensive forecasting services for agriculture, aviation, shipping, fisheries, flood forecasting, cyclone warning and many other special uses for the general public. Madam, 80% of our agriculture depends on rainfall. Weather forecast will help farmers to minimize losses due to the abnormal weather conditions. That's why, Madam, India is a vast country for proper monsoon forecast. The country requires at least 5,000 satellite-based automatic rain gauges, at least 50 upper air observatories, 50 equipment for preparing profile of wind patterns and 20 cyclone detection radars and 35 storm detection radars. Madam, there is a need of automatic rain gauge and also wind profiler and storm detection radars. And also, Madam, government should provide IMD with better observing equipments and supercomputers. In a given situation, Madam, our department is doing good. But still, Madam, I want to, through you, I am want to ask the Minister, Madam, what action will government will take to minimize error in weather forecast?
Respected Madam, through you I wish to inform the honorable member that we are fully equipped to forecast weather and provide all related services. And at the moment, our services are world class. Although the member herself has elaborated, referring to the answer, detailed answer that I have given about the various services and the various equipment that are available in the department, I wish to inform her that we are in the process of further improvement and our supercomputing facility, we are planning to improve it from 1.5 petaflop to up to 10 petaflops, and over the country, as you know, we have various equipments. Like in every district, we already have a automatic weather station. We have 2 automatic rain gauges in every district. In places like Delhi, Jaipur, Patiala, Srinagar, Lucknow, Patna, Calcutta, Visakhapatnam, Machilipatnam, Chennai, Mumbai, Bhuj, Bhopal, Nagpur, Maharashtra, Masan, Agartala, Hyderabad, and second one in Delhi also, and in Nellore. We have 19 Doppler weather radars. At 39 places we already have upper air observation stations. And as you have also mentioned, we have a 3D insert satellite through which every half an hour we take updates about temperature, humidity, cloud, wind direction and speed. Now, for the future also, immediate future also, we have plans for the hill areas. We are going to put up 9 more Doppler weather radars, 5 upper air observation systems, 10 micro range radars. Then for the northeast, specifically our focus is as per the directions of the Prime Minister. We are going to put up 12 more radars and 5 upper air observation systems. I understand that the member, since she belongs to the south,
ఇటీవల కూడా పార్లమెంట్ ఉభయ సభలు విపక్షాల ఆందోళనలతోనే ప్రారంభమయ్యాయి. అయితే రాజ్యసభ వాయిదా పడింది. ముఖ్యంగా కాంగ్రెస్ సభ్యులు పోడియం చుట్టూ చేరి వి వాంట్ జస్టిస్ అని నిరసన తెలియజేస్తున్నారు. ముఖ్యంగా లలిత్ గేట్కి సంబంధించి వాయిదా తీర్మానం ఇచ్చింది కాంగ్రెస్ పార్టీ. అయితే దాన్ని స్పీకర్ తిరస్కరించారు. సుష్మా స్వరాజ్ మాత్రం చర్చకు సిద్ధంగా ఉన్నారని సభలో ప్రకటించారు. పార్లమెంటరీ వ్యవహారాల శాఖ మంత్రి వెంకయ్యనాయుడు కూడా ప్రభుత్వానికి ఇబ్బంది లేదు, చర్చకు సిద్ధంగా ఉన్నాం, అయితే క్వశ్చన్ అవర్ తర్వాత చర్చ కొనసాగుతుందని స్పీకర్ చెప్పారు. ప్రస్తుతం క్వశ్చన్ అవర్ కొనసాగుతోంది లోక్సభలో. చిన్న బ్రేక్.